In continuation of heavy rainfall warning bulletin dated 30th June 2020 issued by IMD Goa with the strengthening of monsoon conditions due to following weather features, increased rainfall activity over Goa is very likely from 2nd July to 4th July 2020. Strengthening of westerly winds at 1.5 to 3.1 kilometers above mean sea level and presence of offshore trough at mean sea level likely to be observed. Very heavy rainfall exceeding 11.5 centimeters. Rainfall in 24 hours is very likely over the North Goa and South Goa district from 2nd July 2020 to 4th July 2020. Rain is likely to be accompanied with winds of speed 30 to 40 km per hour. Weather warning for Goa state issued by Meteorological Center Goa on 1 pm of 1st July 2020 are as follows. Heavy rainfall is very likely at few places with very heavy rainfall very likely at isolated places on 2nd July 2020. Heavy rainfall is very likely at few places with very heavy rainfall very likely at isolated places on 2nd July 2020. Heavy to very heavy rainfall very likely at few places on 3rd July 2020. Heavy rainfall is very likely at few places with very heavy rainfall very likely at isolated places on 4th July 2020. Heavy rainfall is very likely at few places on 5th July 2020. Possible impact of very heavy rainfall during the forecasting period are as follows. Localized and short-term waterlogging, flooding of susceptible informal settlements or roads, low-lying areas. Possibility of short-term waterlogging, flooding in urban or city areas. Localized and short-term disruption to municipal services, water, electricity, etc. Major roads affected but can be used, increased travel times. Possibility of mudslides and rockfalls. Possible damage to crops. Weak trees may get uprooted. Possible impact of winds during the forecasted period are as follows. Weak trees may get uprooted. Longer journey times expected. Disruption to road, rail, air and/or ferry transport. Localized power interruptions. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any latest update.